Is there anything more awkward than a yawn? It's basically your brain's way of screaming, "Get me out of here!" right in everyone's face. It's the ultimate polite insult, isn't it? But the weirdest part? The contagion. You see a total stranger yawn, and suddenly your jaw is unhinging like a hungry hippo. It's not about oxygen, people. It's a vibe check. We're just syncing up our boredom levels like a low-budget zombie movie. And get this, science says if you see your best friend yawn and you feel nothing, congratulations, you're officially a sociopath. You're the person in the horror movie who doesn't run. So, did I make you yawn yet? Or are you a robot? Tell me your yawn count in the comments, and hit subscribe for more brain weirdness.